Explore the history of paradise. The name Land of Paradise self-imitates the history. The name to Kashmir, Land of Paradise, was given by Jahangir, which means that Jahangir came to Kashmir. But the first arrival to Kashmir is doubted to be of Buddhist. The Buddhist emperor Ashoka is credited that he has founded the old capital of Kashmir, Srinagar. The old Srinagar is flourished of many historical places. You will see old structure houses, handloom factories, busy markets and Muslim shrines. The Jama Masjid of Old Srinagar in Nohata gives the evidence of arrival of Muslim emperor in Kashmir. Other very famous historical places are Hazrat Bal, Shahi Hamdan and Shankaracharya Temple. The Kashmir Valley of Dal Lake is even known for cinematic history. Kashmir intoned the history of Prince, Sikh, Buddhist and saints from different parts of the country.